Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to create a website using AI using Oskinter. Oskinter is the most famous hosting server. Okay, so this is Oskinter. This is very famous. Okay, so here it has several plans. You can go to VPS and or there are various plans there. So you click on this. You can have a you can have this business and premium. There are various plans should be there. You will be able to see the plans. What are the plans available? You will be able to see. Now what you're going to do is I am going to I already bought the plan. If you are a beginner, I recommend it. You can buy this one, business one. Okay, you can work without any uh, slow, and it is working very fine. Okay, if it is a basic website, yeah, or if you are planning to launch a new business, you can go bring this one. If you are just 2 or 3 pages, you just simple static pages website, you can buy this one. This is enough. Okay, if it is go along with your business you are going to launch as e-commerce. Okay, you rather than buy this one, you can buy this is the best. Okay, so I've already bought this one, so I just go click on login and I got login the system. I already I have login with my email address. Okay, you can log in with along with your email address, you can log in. So I have two websites. Okay, so I have bought two domains. So here on your left side you can see these are the options. You everything, you can billing and market and everything can be VPS email. If you click on the drop down domain, here domain or here after website, so you click on the website list. Here there are plenty of, here you will be able to see the websites domains. Okay, now what you are going to do is I'm going to go to add website, click on this plus symbol, add website. Here you can see Oskinter website builder. You can see Oskinter website builder. This is the code. Okay, so click on this. Okay, this is the builder, which is you can do the website by AI. Okay, so this is completely, if you are mentioned what, if you tell them the description or how the your website is, which is what is the niche you are going to create a website. Niche mean you are selected as a travel niche or any e-commerce or any other education website, business website. You have to tell the description, what is the business you are you planning to do. Okay, your description, what is the brand you are going to do it. Okay, if it is a e-commerce, it is, if you are, let's say if it is a, you are going to create the e-commerce website, it is convert as a e-commerce. So I'm going to create the software company. So how to do it, I'm going to make the software company. So how to make the website using AI? So I'm going to take this one as a BG, Begin, Begin, Begin Software. This is a brand. Okay. So I'm going to, we are marketing, we are, I'm going to take it. I need you to create a world best software development display project. You just write like this, don't write like this. We are creating and developing a websites and softwares as you expected, as you expected. We will do the service. Okay, you just accepted. Okay, so let's click create. Everything it is pick up from the AI. You can see here the front, you will be able to see. Just you type on that, Cosginter will be getting your everything, and what is your type it will be get here. Here this is the software development company website. Here simply everything is there. You can see everything is there. Here innovation website and software, you will be able to, here you, if you want to, you just click on it, continue editing. Here you can change your software company name over here, whatever. You can BGM software, BGM software solutions. So you have to create this one. Here you have to change the font size, font color, everything you will be able to see. So here you have a AI writer tool as well. You have to describe it here. Okay, so here we have to write another web development, customer website, software development, business solution. Here everything it is AI with AI written everything text. This all the images you can change it here. Delete the image and you will be able to upload the images from your machine and all. Here edit the image. Okay, edit the image. You can upload the image. Okay, so you have to go and upload it, replace the image. You can replace it from your computer. Okay, so if you have an image, you can replace it. Here upload file. Okay, bring from your computer and upload it over here. Okay, everything should be there. Okay, easily you can edit your text, what the text you need, you can easily edit. Everything should be there. Okay, at the section, the same thing as this one should be like a Elementor. The Elementor tool should be doing the same thing like this. So here also you can have this one like this add section. Add section also you can add the sections. What are the sections you can include? Okay, these are section you can see. You need this one or this one. If you click on this, let's see, the section should be coming here. Okay, I don't need. Let's remove that section. You can click again. Here I can add a blank section. It's a blank section. So I want to remove it. So click and remove this one. So go over here. You can add a section. What the section you need? You click on it and you can add the sections and everything. You can add over here. Okay, so it's very simple. Okay, generate the section. Okay, you select the section. So it is section selected by the AI tool as well. I need 3 columns. So you just type it columns. So adding the products. Click on this. Okay, here it is the product solution. Also here it is added as AI. So here you can see it's a 2 columns. It's added here. So you can see here. This kind of things we can easily implement it over here. You can see here. This is a simple way. You can see the preview also here. You can see the preview also. Go live. You can see the preview. You click preview. This is the preview of the websites here. Okay, it's not. This is here. You will be able to see the everything is there. Here. This is professional website. This is not. This is a professional website. You will be able to do it via your OS Enter. Okay, so if you want to click on, if you want to change the logo, you just click and change it. This is everything. Okay, so header section, if you want to change the header section, okay, everything you will be able to sticky menu. Okay, everything you can easily find the solution. Here, this one text, the image, if you want to delete the image, this every text you, if you want to change the text, and everything you will be able to see as you expect. Okay, this is simple. Okay, this is not easy. This is very simple. Okay, First, yeah, how the mobile responsive work, everything it should be there. Okay, so very simple, right? So here, this one. Okay, so after done the stuff, you have to connect your domain. So I have already here this one I haven't connected any domain yet. So I have my two domain I purchased for running my websites, two website. If I have a new domain, you just click and get the new domain and connect it. This site should be working as that domain, that particular domain. Okay, very simple. Okay, very simple. So it is working. Okay, this is the way you have to do it. After done the stuff, you can connect your domain. After done it, go live. Your domain will be www.bgnsoftware. Imagine you have bought the domain and implement the domain name as bgnsoftware.com. So when you click go live, it is running that particular domain and it shows this website. Okay, not this. Okay, whatever you can return uh, to to the AI, the based on the text, it will be designing your website. Okay, that is the beauty of that. This OSInter AI will do it. Okay, do it. Okay, this is very best opportunity for us to make the website using OSInter. Thank you for watching.